Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good evening.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. How you wrote exam yesterday?
Sir, it was nice. Sir, few questions were out of board.
Out
Sir,
of board.
28th question, the polar form.
Okay.
That was out of syllabus, sir.
Out
Sir,
of syllabus.
argument.
Okay. Next.
Sir, in yesterday's exam, I learned one thing, sir.
Ah.
One question you gave, no, sir. Plus 2 plus 4 cos theta and minus 1 plus 4 sin theta. I think I don't know much, sir. I think this is trigonometrical representation because when I put it into a graph plotter,
Okay.
it came, sir.
See
So
that
we can see.
points already is given. Substituting equation. Already
Yes,
equation
sir.
also is given.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Sir. So, a plus b sin theta, comma
Ah.
c plus d cos theta
Hmm.
gives you ellipse or a circle.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. This is what I wanted to say.
Okay.
And the center will be a,
Paper
comma.
discussion, not today. Next class, Wednesday discussion.
Okay, sir.
So did you correct it?
No, not corrected. I didn't see. How many marks expected, Nagbhushan? Out of 80?
Sir, I don't know. It depends.
Depends means still. 70 or 75 or out of out. Or
Sir, I don't know about those questions which are out of syllabus.
okay.
Sir, I lost 3 marks the trigonometry, sir.
3 marks
Sir,
trigonometry.
yes, sir. 1 marker and 2 marker. I left because they were too long.
Okay. 2 marks question too long.
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir, the one
okay.
mark
Next
questions.
class discussion. No problem. Not today. Okay.
Sir, the 1 mark questions were longer than the 2 mark ones.
Yes, sir. 1 mark questions
MCQs.
were longer than 3 markers also, sir.
I know.
So you could have swapped the questions, no, sir.
Little bit tough questions. 1 mark.
No, sir, instead of giving them 1 mark, should have given them like 3, 4 marks or something. They were too lengthy.
See, in
Sir,
board
one
examination
more.
also, 1 mark tough questions is given. Remaining 2 marks, 4 marks, 6 marks, these questions and all easy only. But only tough questions only 1 mark.
Sir, I submitted my paper today.
Okay.
Sir, and one more thing, sir. According to the new pattern, it seems that MCQs have been removed.
Remove.
Yes, sir, MCQs.
Okay.
It's not confirmed yet. It will be confirmed on 10th.
In last class, GP, sum of in terms of GP, right?
Yes, sir. We started infinite GP and we didn't do, we only did 2 problems. Sir.
Okay. 1 problem completed, no?
So you gave us a
2.
homework also.
Yes, sir. 1 was homework and it was done in the class.
Okay.
So could you please tell the answer for the homework question?
I'll tell. Homework problem answer 0, 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Got it.
0, 10.
Sir, could you solve it?
Okay. See, B is the first term and R is the common ratio. Now, infinite GP. Formula A upon 1 minus R is equal to given 5. Okay. B upon 1 minus R is equal to 5. Okay.
Sir, also there's another condition like R should be between -1 and 1.
1 minus R is equal to B upon 5.
Yes.
Now R is equal to
1 minus B
5
by 5.
minus B upon 5, right? Okay, this is R. Now one more condition, -1 less than R less than 1, right? -1 less than 5 minus B upon 5 less than 1. -5 less than 5 minus B less than 5, right? After that, minus 10 less than minus B less than 0, right? 0 less than B less than 10. Now B belongs to 0 comma 10. Understood, Bhargav?
Sir, the
Yes.
board is too light, sir. I can't see.
Huh?
Sir, the board is too light. I can't see.
Okay, Santosh. JEE Main 2018 problem. 2018.
Sir, can you put your mic little down?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, okay, Santosh. Santosh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Today competitive class also is there. Agaboshan.
Sir, can you
Last week
start?
I forgot.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you start the competitive class 8 o'clock itself?
Okay. 8 or 8:05. That quadratic equations and all problems practicing, no? Exercise, target exercise problems.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next problem. All of you done? Priyanka, Ananya, Mona Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yashes.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next problem. Let A comma B comma C be the Bhargav.
The board is blur for me. I don't know about the others.
Sir, it's normal only.
Normal only, no?
Okay, so I'll just rejoin.
Rejoin.
Done, sir.
Hmm. Next. Prove that 9 power 1 upon 3 into 9 power 1 upon 9 into 9 power 1 upon 27 so on to infinity is equal to 3 is equal to 3.
Done, sir.
Hmm. All of you done? And answer key also Wednesday uploaded. Answer key.
So could you solve this once?
This one.
Yeah.
See 9 power 1 by 3, 9 power 1 by 9, or 9 power
1 by 27. So R is 9 power.
9 power 1 plus 3, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus
Yes,
so
sir.
on infinity.
Sir, the power is in the
Oh,
form
okay,
of
sir. I thought that was plus and not multiplied. I thought 9 power 1 by 3 plus 9 power 1 by 9. Okay, sir.
Huh.
Done, sir.
Hmm. Remaining students. Gopala Krishna.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Doing, sir.
Okay, okay. Anavadya. Anavadya? Anavadya.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Just a minute, sir.
Okay, okay. Mona Lisa.
Done, sir.
Okay. Then next.
Sir,
Next.
I'm not
Aryan?
getting it, sir. Could you solve it?
Okay, okay. Okay, Aryan. See, 9 power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 27 plus so on infinity. Then is equal to S take 9 power S. S is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 9, 1 upon 27 plus so on infinity. Now A is equal to 1 by 3. R is equal to Aryan. R is equal to 1 by 9 upon 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. R is equal to 1 upon 3. Now,
Oh,
in
sir, got it. Yeah, I understood.
Aryan,
Yes,
understood
sir.
Aryan? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Next.
So that is what even I did.
Huh.
And I didn't get it. I got 1 by 2.
So could you do it once again? One more time.
1 by 2.
No, sir. One more time you do it, sir.
See, yeah, A is equal to, S is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 27 plus so on infinity. Now A is equal to 1 upon 3 and R is equal to 1 upon 3, right? R is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 1. Correct, no? Now S infinity is equal to, 1 upon 3 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 upon 3 minus 1, 2. 2 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 2. S infinity. S infinity is equal to 1 upon 2. Now, see, 9 power 1 upon 3 plus, now, 9 power 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 27 plus so on infinity is equal to 9 power S. 9 power S is equal to 9 power 1 upon 2. 9 power 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 can be written as 3 square, right? 3 square power of 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled is equal to 3.
Oh, yes, I got it.
Simple problem.
Okay, I got till 1 by 2. Then I thought that that is only the answer. Got it, sir.
Okay. Next, geometric mean between two given numbers.
Sir, infinite GP over.
Enough. One more problem you want? Okay, note down.
Three problems we did.
First,
that's it.
okay, first this concept completed. After that, I will give problems. Geometric mean between two numbers. Yesterday I will give relation between AM and GM. First problem. All of you done that question? First problem.
Where, sir?
AM is greater than or equal to GM. First problem. I will give you first problem. F of x is equal to cos
Okay,
square.
yes, sir. I understood, sir.
All of you done that problem?
So MCQ, right?
MCQ.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So all those were competitive type.
Not competitive.
Sir, I did different methods, sir.
Different method.
Yes, sir, like cos square x plus c.
AM and GM using no 2-3 steps.
Sir, even I did, like, I know that cos 0 is equal to 1 and secant 0 also 1. So, answer will be obviously 1.
Okay, okay.
So, one more method is,
Ah.
you can write cos x as y.
Hmm.
So, y square plus 1 by y square always greater than or equal to 2, no, sir?
In competitive level, AM is greater than or equal to GM is greater than or equal to HM. Most important, so many problems interrelated to this concept AM, GM, HM. Inequality.
So which question are you talking about in yesterday?
First question.
So that was cos square x plus sec square x, no?
That
So
question.
that would be f of x would be
F of
greater
x,
than or
f
equal
of
to
x
2.
is equal to cos square x plus that question is there, no? That is
Yes, so that would be greater than or equal to.
greater than or equal to gm.
So that's under root.
am a plus b by 2 is greater than or equal to under root ab.
Sir, I did different method. Like, sir.
Simple method. Okay,
Sir,
next
base-
Wednesday discuss. No need. Okay, leave it. Next
So like I did it with maxima and minima.
maxima and minima, na?
Yes, so like I simplified it and I got cos square x plus
Okay,
1
okay.
by cos square x.
Okay.
So the maximum value of cos x is 1.
Ah,
So if you substitute that, you will get 2, and cos x may also be 0. If you substitute that, you get infinity.
okay.
Yes, sir. Same here.
We will discuss day after tomorrow. Okay. Next. Now note down geometric mean between two numbers. Let a and b two positive numbers. Let a and b two positive numbers. Let a and b two positive numbers. Let g be the gm. Let G be the capital G be the GM, capital G be the GM, then A comma G comma B, A comma G comma B are in GP, are in GP, are in GP. Now G upon A is equal to B upon G. G upon A is equal to B upon G, then G square is equal to BA. Then G square is equal to BA or AB. AB. G square is equal to AB. That implies G is equal to under root AB. G is equal to under root AB.
Sir?
Sir,
what does this signify? Like, arithmetic mean is the average of two terms, right? Then Sir, what does this give then?
This one is?
Sir, like if we know that B is equal to A plus C by 2, no, sir?
B is equal to A, 2B is equal to A plus C, B is equal to A plus C by 2. Okay, A plus C by 2.
There we can say it as average, no, sir? Then what do we say this?
Average, this is ratio, no?
Yes, sir.
This is ratio.
Okay, sir.
Next, n GMs between two numbers. Next, all of you done?
Yes, sir, done.
Next, NGMs between two numbers. NGMs between two numbers. n GMs between two numbers. Let A and B are two numbers. Let A and B the two numbers. A and B the two numbers. Let G1 comma G2 comma G3 so on Gn. Let G1 comma G2 comma G3 so on Gn be the n GMs, be the n GMs between n GMs between A and B, between A and B, A and B, that is A comma G1 comma G2 comma G3 so on Gn comma B, Gn comma B are in GP, are in GP with common ratio, with common ratio R, common ratio R, common ratio R. Common ratio R. Then B is equal to, Tn plus 2, Tn plus 2th term, Tn plus 2th term is equal to AR power n plus 2 minus 1 is equal to AR power n plus 1, AR power n plus 1. Now B is equal to AR power n plus 1, that implies B by A is equal to R power n plus 1. B by A is equal to R power n plus 1. R is equal to, that implies R is equal to B by A upon 1 upon n plus 1. R is equal to B by A upon B by A power 1 upon n plus 1. Here B is Tn plus 2th term.
Sir, so we can say it is n plus 1th root of B by A.
Then next G1, G2, G3, so on Gn find.
Sir, or else we can just divide B and A also, no, sir?
B and
we can divide the Bth term and the Ath term, then we will get R.
Yes, correct. All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Now G1, AR, G2 AR square, G3 AR cube, so on Gn is equal to AR power n.
N minus, yes sir, n.
Now AR A into B by A 1 power n plus 1, 1 upon n plus 1. Now A into B by A 2 upon n plus 1, A into B by A 3 upon n plus 1, A into B by A n upon n plus 1. Now therefore Gn is equal to Gn is equal to a into b by a whole to the power of n upon n plus 1. All of you done? Next,
Yes, sir.
note. Note. Product of, all of you write. Product of n GMs. Product of n GMs is equal to product of n GMs is equal to n powers. Product of n GMs is equal to n power 2 single GM between two numbers. Single GM between
Sir,
two
can you
numbers.
repeat?
Product of n GMs. Product of
Sir, can you
n.
read mathematically at least?
Product of n GMs. Product of n GMs. Product of n GMs is equal to n powers. N power is equal to n power to single GM to single GM to single GM between two numbers. Between two numbers. Between two numbers A and B. Between two numbers A and B. Between two numbers A and B. A and B.
Nothing but
A
n
comma
plus
G1 comma G2 comma G3 so on Gn comma B. Gn comma B. So G1 comma G2 comma G3 so on Gn is equal to under root AB power n. Under root AB power n is equal to AB power n by 2. AB power n by 2. Or it can be written as pi power n I is equal to 1. Gi is equal to AB power n by 2. Or it can be written as Now I will give problem.
Sir, what is
Anand,
that formula in the last you have written, right?
which one? This one?
No,
G1,
no.
G2,
Next one. Next one.
this one?
N, yeah.
R, it can be written as R.
Sir, where can this be used?
Huh? This one, commutative level, commutative no, formula.
Sir, can you repeat the formula?
Formula,
Last formula, not that one.
this one,
Yeah.
pi upon n, power n, I is equal to 1. Gi is equal to AB power n by 2.
I is equal to 1. Okay.
I is equal to 1. I is equal to 1 power n. Gi is equal to AB power n by 2. Next problems. Important problem. Find the value of n. Find the value of n so that a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 upon.
Excuse me, sir.
Risha.
Sir, is this for boards or competitive?
Board only.
Okay, okay, sir.
Board. A power n plus b power n may be the geometric mean between geometric mean between A and B.
Sir, sir, I have a doubt. Okay, sir, nothing, sir, nothing.
GM between A and B. GM between A and B is equal to under root AB. Given condition A power n plus 1 plus B power n plus 1 upon A power n plus B power n is equal to under root AB. Under root AB, AB power 1 by 2, right? Now then cross multiply.
So then we get something like a power n plus 1 plus b power n plus 1 is equal to a power n by 2 b 1 by 2 plus a power 1 by 2 b n by 2. Then what do we do?
Common. A power n plus 1 by 2 common. B power n plus 1 by 2 common. Same type of model that AM also same type of model is there. A power n plus 1 minus B power n plus 1 upon A
Yes,
power
sir,
n.
we did that, but
Same
I
model.
didn't understand what you're telling. We take a power,
A power n plus 1 plus B power n plus 1 is equal to AB power 1 by 2 into A power n plus B power n. Now multiply.
Yeah, I did that.
Multiply. A power n plus 1 by 2, right? A power n plus 1 by 2. Okay. A plus 1 by 2. B power 1 by 2. Plus A power n plus 1 by 2. B power 1 by 2. A power 1 by 2 into
Sir, do you get n equals minus 1
B
by 2?
power n plus 1 by 2.
So n minus 1 by 2.
A power n plus 1 plus B power n plus 1. Now A power n plus 1 minus A power n plus 1 minus A power
n plus 1 by 2 into
A power n plus 1 by 2 into B power 1 by 2, right? Is equal
Yes,
to A power 1 by 2 into B power n plus 1 by 2 minus B power n plus 1. Now common here. A power n plus 1 by 2 common. A power n plus 1 by 2 common means here A power 1 by 2 minus B power 1 by 2. Here B power n plus 1 by 2 common. B power n plus 1 by 2 common. Here A power 1 by 2 minus B power 1 by 2. Ananya? Understood, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
After that, get cancel this one and this one. A power n plus 1 by 2 is equal to B power A power n plus 1 by 2 is equal to B power n plus 1 by 2. After that,
A by B
A by B whole to the power of n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Now A by B whole to the power of n plus 1 by 2 is equal to A by B power of 0. Now n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 1 by 2. N is equal to minus 1 by 2. Ananya, understood, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you done? All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Santosh,
One second, sir.
Bhargav, Aryan,
You're done.
Gopalakrishna.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Anavadya. Anavadya.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, okay. Risha,
Done, sir.
Priyanka. Priyanka.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. Next problem. Let A and B, let A comma B comma C let A comma B comma C be the 7th, 11th and 13th. 13th terms respectively of a non-constant AP if these are also the 3 consecutive terms terms of a GP, consecutive terms of a GP, then A by C, then A by C is equal to
Sir, what is the meaning of non-constant AP? Constant AP.
See, non-constant AP means you have to take GP. Relation between A, B, C are in GP, then B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to AC.
So the expression is not in AP.
Not an AP. Non-constant AP means not an AP.
So then these are the 7th, 11th, and 13th term of the GP.
11th, A comma B comma C be the 7th, 11th terms are respectively. So the 11th term, 7th term is A plus.
Sir, 11th term is A into C.
A plus D, right? A plus 6D. Sorry. A plus 6D.
Sir, how 11th term is A plus 6D?
7th term. And 11th term, A plus 10D. And
Sir, but
13th term, A plus 12D.
Sir, A is already used.
Or capital A take. Capital A. Capital A. A plus 6D and A plus 10D and 12th A plus 12D.
Sir, A plus 11D, no?
A is equal to B is equal to C. Tell me, Himanshu.
12th is A plus 11D.
12th, 11th, 13th.
So, but you wrote 12th term over there.
12th. Oh, okay. 13th. Sorry.
Sir, what's D?
D? Common
Yeah.
difference.
Sir, but they aren't in AP, right?
See here, A comma B comma C be the 7th, 11th, 13th term. But you need to take B square is equal to AC, not 2B is equal to A plus C. Don't take 2B is equal to A plus C. GP. A comma B comma C are in GP. B
So
square
then
is
why
equal
have we
to
taken A plus 6D when they are in GP?
AP.
They are in
Terms
GP,
only
right?
we have to take. Terms only we have to take AP. Terms.
Okay, okay.
Terms only you have to take AP.
Sir,
We have
so
to substituting in GP. That is the different problem. This is important model.
Sir, why like that?
Huh?
So why do we take the terms in AP?
See, already is given, no?
yes, sir. So
Is
A,
given, but non-constant AP. Non-constant AP.
sir, so they are random terms from an AP.
Yes. Let first term and common difference be A and D respectively. Capital A and capital D. Small a is equal to A plus 6D 7th term. Small b is equal to 11th term. Small c is equal to A plus 12D 13th term. Now hence relation between A comma B comma C are in GP. A comma B comma C are in GP, then B square is equal to AC. B square is equal to AC. Now B square is equal to AC. A plus 10D whole square is equal to A plus 6D into A plus 12D. A plus 12D. Now calculate capital A.
So do you get minus 14D?
Minus A is equal to minus 14D. Aryan?
Yes. So that's what I got.
Yes, correct. A is equal to minus 14D. Then A is equal to, here substituting. A is equal to minus 14D plus 6D. Okay, minus 8D. Minus 8D minus 4D. Next, minus 2D. 2D. Minus 2D minus 4D minus 8D. Now then A by C is equal to minus 8D upon C minus 2D. Minus 2D is equal to 4. A by C is equal to 4. This question JEE Main 2019 9th Jan. JEE Main 2019 9th Jan first shift. Very, very important question. Nice question. Good question.
A really different question.
Different question. JEE Main 2019 9th Jan.
So then
Ah.
2 by C, sorry, A by C you have done minus 8D by minus 2D.
Minus 2D. Minus
Why?
8D upon minus 2D. A by C is equal to 4.
Okay. Oh, okay, got it.
Then now competitive class, CBSE students, all are competitive only. Only Risha.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Remaining and all, okay. And last class, one problem I gave, no homework. Which problem? Limit extends to 1, x square plus x log x minus 1 upon x cube minus
sir.
1, right? I gave homework one
Yes,
problem.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir. You gave a homework problem.
Done, all of you done?
Yes, sir. I did it.
Okay. Answer?
Sir, 1 by 3.
1 by 3, wrong, 1 by 3.
Sir.
1 by 3
Sir,
wrong.
I did it in 2 minutes, sir. I didn't do it fast.
Where is Priyanka left? All of you note down this problem. Himanshu? Done, Himanshu?
What, sir?
Last class. Last class present, Himanshu?
Thursday I attended half.
Okay. Evaluate, all of you do, evaluate limit x tends to 1, x square plus x log x minus log x minus 1 upon. In competitive class, don't miss the class. Remaining students, Ananya, Anirudh, Bhargav, in last class absent, no? Gopalakrishna, Santosh.
Sir, as present all the classes.
Present,
Sir, I'm always
Yeah, I was
present.
present.
Okay. I think Monday absent.
No, sir, I was always present.
Okay. Do, all of you do.
We are supposed to solve this?
No, answer tell.
Sir, what is the answer? It's either
Answer 2 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3.
Yes, sir. I got the mistake, sir. Yes, sir.
2 upon 3 answer.
Yes, sir. I did mistake.
Hey, Bhargav where? Now he is there. No, Bhargav left. Himanshu?
Just a minute.
Very simple problem.
Done, sir. Yeah.
Done, na? 2 by 3.
Yes. Sir.
Ananya? Shall I explain? Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Limit x tends to 1. See, x square minus 1, right? X square minus 1 plus here x log x minus log x. X log x minus log x. Now log x common. Log x common, x minus 1 upon x cube minus 1, right?
Sir,
Ananya?
I did different method.
Simple
Yeah,
method.
sir. Understood.
After that, see x square minus 1, x minus 1. Denominator is
can
x
take
cube
it
minus
common.
1. A cube minus b cube form. A cube minus b cube, x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1, right? X minus 1 into x
Yes,
square
sir.
plus x plus 1. Numerator x minus 1 common, denominator x minus 1 get cancelled, and remaining x, limit extends to 1, right? X plus 1 plus x plus 1 log x upon x square plus x plus 1. Then limit apply. Limit substituting. Then we will get 2/3. Simple, no?
Easy, sir.
Next concept, rationalization method. Rationalization method. Rationalization method. Important rationalization method. In this method, all of you write. In this method, our first aim will be, in this method, our first aim will be remove the radical sign. Our first aim will be remove the
Sir, can you just wait a second, please?
Okay.
So we just need to remove the roots from the denominator, right? Over here.
Denominator or numerator?
Okay, sir.
In this method, Ananya, right?
Yes, sir.
In this method, our first aim will be remove the radical sign. Remove the radical sign. This is particularly used. This is particularly used when either the numerator or denominator, or both, numerator or denominator or both involve the fractional powers. Involve the numerator or denominator or both involve the fractional powers. Okay. Now example, limit, evaluate limit extends to 0, under root 2 plus x minus root 2 upon x. Limit extends to 0, under root 2 plus x minus root 2 upon x. Now check it first, 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. Check it first.
0 by 0.
0 by 0 form. Then function change. Rationalize.
Sir, answer is 0, right?
Answer is
0.
0 na? No. Check it once. Not 0.
Sir, 1 by 2 root 2.
Yes, correct, Nagbhushan. Excellent, Nagbhushan. Wonderful. One upon 2 root 2 answer. Himanshu, check it once.
Yes, sir, I got my mistake.
Gopal Krishna, done. Gopal Krishna.
Sir, I'm doing.
Okay. Santosh?
1 second.
Hmm. All of you done? First problem. Ananya? Ananya?
Yes, sir.
We're done? First problem done?
Yeah.
Okay. Next, second problem, no doubt. Evaluate limit extends to a square root a plus 2x minus square root 3x upon square root 3a plus x minus 2 root x.
Sir, these all are like R.D. Sharma level, sir.
Huh?
Sir, this is the R.D. Sharma level.
R.D. Sharma?
Yes,
K-set
sir.
level.
Sir, but
K-set.
these all are given in R.D. Sharma.
R.D. Sharma, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
K-set level, these problems and all.
So here we rationalize the numerator and denominator both.
Yes, numerator and denominator both rationalizing. Important model. Option A, 2 upon 3 root 3. Option B, root 3. Option C, 3 upon root 2. Option D, 1 upon 3 root 3. 1 upon 3 root 3. 1 upon 3 root 3. Evaluate limit extends to a square root a plus 2x at both numerator and denominator rationalize.
Sir, option A.
Option
A.
Himanshu, option A is correct.
Sir, is there any faster method to solve them, like without rationalizing?
Shortcut method. Shortcut method means L'Hospital rule.
Differentiating.
Direct f of x upon g of x limit extends to 0. F dash of x upon g dash of x.
So over there, we need to differentiate with respect to x.
With respect to x. After that, I will explain concept.
Well, but that would also involve chain rule and everything over here.
Chain rule, not chain rule.
Here.
Direct formula, not chain rule.
Okay, sir.
Don't use chain rule, L'Hospital rule. See, root x, 1 by 2 root x into inside differentiation, don't write.
So basically, we don't differentiate.
One time differentiation only in L'Hospital rule. All of you done? Second one. All of you done?
Yes.
Next. Evaluate limit extends to root 10 square root 7 plus 2x minus of root 5 plus root 2 upon x square minus 10. This problem, which level? Nagabhushan?
Sir, same RD Sharma, sir.
This one only?
Yes, sir. Like we can make this a square, no, sir. That only, no, sir.
Okay. Now this problem do. This is RD Sharma or mains level, I don't know. Do this problem. Tell me exact answer.
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, I saw previous year questions. They are same as RD Sharma level, like rationalizing ones.
See, in this method, infinity method is important. 5 methods is there, no? Algebraic limit. Infinity method is important. These 5 concepts. But a little bit tough problem, this one. Tough problem. Not easy. Tough problem. All of you done? Second one? Ananya? Santosh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I guess Mona Lisa is asking you to let her in.
Yes, tell me, Mona Lisa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell. Now competitive class.
Okay, sir. Sir, had you done with the basics of limits and derivations last class?
Already done. Already, this is for third concept.
Okay, sir.
2 concepts completed. 3, this is third one. Third one also complete.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So this was started on Thursday, right?
Thursday.
Okay, sir.
Easy method. Total 3 types, Mona Lisa. 5 types. First one is direct substitution method. Basic concept to limit of a function. How to define limit of a function. After that, algebraic properties. Limit properties. And after that, evaluation of limits. 2 types of evaluation of limits. One is algebraic limit and one more is non-algebraic limit. One algebraic limit, 5 concepts is there. One is direct substitution method, and the second concept is factorization method. Third concept is rationalization method, and the fourth concept is standard result method. Fifth concept is infinity method.
Done, sir. I got some answer.
Tell. That is answer. Tell. Himansh.
Root 5
minus
root 2 by 6 root 10.
By 6 root 10. Huh?
Yes.
Before step, tell me this one before. Before is 1 upon.
Sir?
Tell me the answer, Nagabhushan.
Sir, it's the same.
Santosh left.
Sir, this is only the answer, sir.
This is only answer.
Sir, another is 1 by 2 root 10 root 5 plus root 2.
1 upon 2 root 10.
Yes, sir. 2 root 10
into
root 5 plus root 2.
Root 5 plus root. Yes, correct.
Yes, sir. Both are the same value, sir.
Same. Okay.
Yes, sir. Both are same.
Okay.
Simplified.
So then before that I got.
That's
1
why I'm
by
asking.
2.
Before step. Okay.
So options would be given.
Options?
Options would be given, sir.
Options is not there. This problem.
So then how are we supposed to know what answer does the examiner want?
Answer I know, no? I know
No,
answer.
sir. Like, sir, I am...
Integer type question.
Yes, sir, yeah.
Integer type question, we don't know, I don't know. But
sir,
process
integer
is...
type of... Sir, they can say that, wow, what is the... Like, they'll give the solution like root 5 minus 1 by 2 by a into root 10. Then they'll say, what is a? And we need to find the integer.
So exact answer is again simplifying 1 upon.
Sir, this only, sir. Here, this one only, sir.
This one, huh?
Yes, sir. That's simplified form.
Okay. After simplifying, root 5.
So then we can write root 10 and then we can multiply.
Or root 10 multiply. Correct. Root 10 multiply. 1 upon 2 root 5. Root 50, right? Root 50.
So you won't have a 2 in the denominator.
Sir, we just rationalize the denominator by multiplying it with root 5 minus root 2.
See, exact answer in textbook is given this one. 1 upon 2 into root 50 plus root 20. This question answer 1 upon 2 into root 50 plus root 20. Okay, Nagbhushan.
So I
Ananya.
got okay. Just a second. So what I got is 1 by root 10 into root of 7 plus 2 root 10 plus root 5 plus root 2.
1 upon root 10.
The 2 in the denominator got cancelled.
2 get cancelled. 1 upon root 10 into root 7 plus 2 root 10. Tell. Plus root 5 plus root 2, right?
Plus root 2, yeah.
Correct, no?
Yeah, into
Now
root
this
10.
expression
Full
can be
10.
written as root 5 plus root 2 plus root 5 plus root 2. This expression can be written as root 5 plus root 2 plus root 5 plus root 2. 2 into root 5 plus root 2. How? See, 7 plus 2 root 10, right? 7 plus 2 root 10. 5 plus 2, right? 7, 5 plus 2 plus root 10. Root 10 can be written as root 2 into root 5, right? See, root 7 plus 2 root 10 is equal to root 5 plus 2 plus 2 root 2 into root 5, right? And after that, root 5 whole square plus root 2 whole square
Yeah, sir.
plus 2 root 5 into root 2. A plus B whole square form. Under root 5 plus root 2 whole square plus root 5 plus root 2. Then 2 into root 5 plus root 2. Next problem. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 square root x square plus x plus 1 minus square root x square plus 1 upon x. Fourth one. Evaluate limit x tends to 0 square root x square plus x plus 1 minus square root x square plus 1 upon x.
So,
1 by 2, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
1 by 2.
Sir, without applying limits, can we find the root? Like, sir, x square plus x plus 1 solution omega square, no, sir? Sir, then if we know that square root of omega square is just omega, no, sir? So we can write omega minus, now x square plus 1 we can write as omega.
Okay.
Sir, so that time we'll get omega minus omega by omega.
Omega minus omega by?
Sir, omega minus square root of omega plus 1 by omega. Then
this is the answer. 1 upon 2.
yes, sir. Then leave that part, sir. Leave that omega and all.
Okay. These three concepts only K-set level.
Sir, so infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, and 1 to the power of 0, 0 to the power of infinity, and those are JE level.
1 to the power of infinity. 1 to the power of infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 power 0. 0 power 0 and 1 to the power of infinity. These two concepts JE mains. Advanced definite integral as limit of a sum and Newton's Leibniz limit, that is advanced. Newton
Sir,
and
what is Newton Leibniz limit?
limit, that is the one formula is there, that formula using.
So the differentiating one.
Differentiating.
Then I did that using, I did this question using that method, but that method took more time over here.
That is a different formula. Then sandwich theorem. Sandwich theorem JE mains. And L-Hospital rule JE mains. And trigonometric limit, inverse trigonometric limit, exponential limit, logarithmic limit. These four concepts JE mains.
So can limits be applied to imaginary numbers?
Sorry, Manshu?
So can limits be applied to imaginary numbers?
Limits?
Yes, they can
apply.
Imaginary numbers we can write as e to the power of 5 theta, then we can easily substitute.
Okay, sir.
Next concept, standard result method.
So wait, what is the answer of this one?
1 by 2.
Yeah. I got that only.
Next, standard result method. Standard result method. In this method, we shall use the formula. In this method, we shall use the formula limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n upon x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. In this method, we shall use the formula limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n upon x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. Nagabhushan?
Sir, this one mostly won't be asked, right?
Which one? This one, huh?
Yes, sir.
Which one? JE?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sometimes 10%. Infinity method is important. Infinity method. 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity. Sorry, not 0 by 0. Infinity by infinity and infinity plus or minus infinity. These two forms. Infinity method.
Done, sir.
You want proof? This one?
Sir, we did it in CBSE class.
Okay. Next, problems, right? Evaluate. First problem. Evaluate.
Sir?
X plus, yes, tell.
Sir, this is not true for irrational power, right?
Yes. Evaluate x plus 2 power 5 by 3 minus a plus 2 power 5 by 3 upon x minus a. Evaluate x plus 2 power 5 by 3 minus a plus 2 power 5 by 3 upon x minus a.
Sir, limit.
Okay, limit x tends to a. Limit x tends to a. Limit x tends to a, x plus 2 power 5 by 3 minus a plus 2 power 5 by 3 upon x minus a.
Done, sir.
Answer?
5 by 3, a power 2 by 3.
A power 2 by 3 or a plus 2 power 2 by 3?
A plus 2 power 2 by 3.
A plus 2 power 2 by 3. Next, evaluate limit x tends to 1, x tends to 1, x plus x square plus x cube plus so on, plus x power n minus n upon x minus 1. All of you done this problem? Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. X
Yes,
plus,
sir.
okay. X plus x square plus x cube plus so on plus x power n minus n upon x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1.
Sir, GP formula, right?
GP?
Sir, here we can use GP formula. Sir, we can use that and also do, right?
Any method you can do, but I want answer. Or sigma n formula using sigma n square, sigma n cube also is there, no?
Sir, how do you solve this?
Manshu, answer. Nagabhushan.
Yes, sir.
Guess it problem, this one.
Sir, I don't know.
Tell me the answer. Ananya, answer tell. Ananya.
Sir, can you do it once?
Okay. Gopal Krishna.
Sir, I'm doing, sir.
Doing. Okay.
Sir, I understood. Sir, we should write n as 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, right?
Correct, Nagbhushan. Exactly. X plus x square plus x cube plus so on plus x power n minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on plus 1 upon x minus 1. Now limit x tends to 1, x minus 1. X minus 1
n into n plus 1 by 2.
X square minus 1 plus x cube minus 1. X cube minus 1 plus 1 plus x power n minus 1 upon x minus 1. Then after that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n. Correct, no? Nagabhushan?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Understood, Imanshu?
Yes, sir, I got it now.
Same model, same problem. See, next problem, limit x tends to 1, x to the power of n plus 1 minus n plus 1 into x plus n upon
Into x.
x minus 1 whole square. Limit x tends to 1, x to the power of n plus 1 minus of n plus 1 into x plus n upon x minus 1 whole square.
So,
Tell.
can you explain
Which
from
one?
the
This one?
third step again? Yeah.
This one? See, x minus 1, right? X minus 1, x square minus 1, x cube minus 1, x power n minus 1 upon x minus 1. After that, x minus 1 upon x minus 1, x square minus 1 upon x minus 1, x cube minus 1 upon x minus 1, plus so on plus x power n minus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma n. Sigma n.
Okay, okay.
This one answer tell.
So then okay.
Ananya?
No, sir, nothing. So that is x plus 1, n plus 1
X
or
power
plus
n plus 1 minus n plus 1 into x plus n upon x minus 1 whole square. Limit x tends to 1. Limit x tends to 1.
that's n plus 1 to the power x, right?
Yeah, n plus
N plus 1 to the power x.
power x. Answer.
No, sir. Question.
Question x to the power of n plus 1 minus n plus 1 into x plus n.
Sir, I thought that was power x. Sorry.
Not power. X power n plus 1 minus x plus n plus 1 into x plus n upon x minus 1 whole square.
So why did you make that arrow?
Hmm?
Why did you make that arrow?
This arrow becomes same model, same answer.
Sir, could you do it?
Same answer.
Yeah, sir, but I'm not getting the steps. Can you do it?
X power n plus 1 is given. X power n plus 1
Yeah.
minus n plus 1 into x minus n. Correct? Now multiply nx minus n. Multiply. Multiply.
So what?
X power.
NX.
Huh?
Sir, is that minus x or plus x?
Which one?
Sir, at that end.
Here.
Yes, sir. No,
Why?
sir. Other more, sir.
This one.
Sir, at the end, plus
X
n.
power n plus
Done,
1
sir.
minus n plus 1 into x plus n.
Sir, it's plus only, no, sir?
Plus n.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Same problem is different, but method is same.
Sir, answer is n into n plus 1 by 2.
Yeah, same answer.
Sir, how?
X, but problem is different. Process is same. See, one more problem also is there. Same method. One more problem also is there. See. Limit extends to 1. Sigma k is equal to 1 power 100 x power k minus 100 upon x minus 1. Evaluate x tends to 1. Sigma k is equal to 1 power 100 x to the power of k minus 100 upon
Sir,
x
I'm
minus.
getting n.
These three problems, same method.
Sir, I'm getting n.
N.
Yes, sir. I'm getting n.
N.
Yes, sir.
Wrong. Shall I explain this one?
Yes, sir. You can explain.
Okay, okay. See, n plus 1 into x, no? Minus x, minus nx, minus x. Limit x tends to 1, x power n plus 1 minus nx minus x plus n upon x minus 1 whole square, right? Nagbhushan?
Yes, sir.
Now after that, x power n, here x power n into x, right?
Yes, sir. And
X power n into x, right? X power n plus 1 can be written as x power n into x, right? Okay, after that, limit x tends to 1 into x common, x power n minus 1, correct?
yes,
Minus
sir.
n common.
Yes,
x
sir.
minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. Ananya,
Yes, sir.
Ananya, understood? Ananya?
Yes, sir. So what
Here,
will
x power n into x minus nx minus x plus n upon x minus 1 whole square. Here x power x get common. X power n into x minus x common. X power n minus 1 minus n common. These two. Minus n common. X minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. After that,
Sir, separate limits.
Limit
Sir, we separate
limit
limits.
extends to 1. Limit extends to 1. X power n minus 1.
Minus 1
X
to the
into
power of n.
x into x minus 1. X into x minus 1 into x into x minus 1 into x plus x square plus x cube plus so on plus x power n. Right?
Sir, how?
X power n minus 1, sorry. X power n minus 1.
Sir, how, sir?
X power n minus 1 minus n, no? Common.
Sir, how did you get x plus x square plus x cube plus dot?
Not x, sorry. 1 plus. 1 plus x plus x square plus x cube plus so on plus x power n minus 1.
Sir, how did
Minus
you get that one?
n into x minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. Now here x into x power n minus 1 minus n into x minus 1. X into x minus 1 common. X into x minus 1. Nagabhushan?
Sir, how did you get that whole expression, sir? 1 plus x square plus dot dot.
See in this,
Sir, how did
this
you
one
get
ast
that?
is right.
Yes, sir, that one.
N into x minus 1 ast is right.
Yes, sir, there 1 plus x plus x.
Here x power n minus 1.
Sir, we haven't learned binomial theorem yet.
Yes, sir, we didn't learn binomial theorem.
Binomial theorem you don't know?
No, sir, we don't know.
Oh, not completed.
No,
Not
sir.
completed, no?
Sir, you
Oh.
can do it with that L-Hospitz rule.
Sir, that is that summation and all that you done.
Okay.
Sigma. I mean, I didn't understand. Some people might know it, but
Interrelated, all concepts. Yeah.
Sir, or you can teach that L-Hospitz rule, no, sir. You can
L
also
hospital
solve it
also
using
using
this.
this one. L hospital also using.
Sir, I'll say how I got n. Sir, I can, sir, x to the power of n minus 1 and down I split x minus 1, x minus 1. Then I took x minus x to the power of n minus 1 to the power of n by x minus 1. Then I converted that into n using that formula. And then I got xn by x minus 1, n by x minus 1. Then I cancelled x minus 1. Then I got n.
Okay.
Sir, I just differentiated it as you told me how to use that
Differentiation.
L-Hospitz
No,
rule.
yes, correct. That concept
how
also
to
is
do-
there. L hospital rule concept is there. Next class I will explain L hospital. That is easy method. Any problem using L hospital rule. Any problem.
Common method, sir.
A common method. Okay, next infinity method is there. Next concept, the Thursday. Next class I will take. Okay, and after that, this algebraic limit is completed. This concept completed now. Infinity method. After that, non-algebraic methods. That is mains and advanced, both. Okay.
Then, sir, when you will do L hospital rule?
Next, after completion of infinity method.
Okay.
First
sir.
concept is L hospital rule.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Not first concept. Sorry. Trigonometric limit is there, inverse trigonometric limit is there, and exponential limit is there, and logarithmic limit is there. Fifth concept, L hospital rule.
Sir, we haven't learned inverse trigonometry till now.
Inverse trigonometry, basic. I will explain formulas.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, no problem. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.